I'm pretty sure you've also come across these types of videos, but have you ever wondered how these type of faceless YouTube channels are raking in thousands of dollars every month just by sharing male facts, love facts, and relationship insights? It's mind-blowing. And if we check this channel on Social Blade, their estimated revenue is around $23K per month with just creating this simple shorts. And the best part is, it's all generated with help of AI. Now I'm going to show you how you can create these type of 100 shorts under 10 minutes using some techniques and AI tools. So if you've ever dreamt of making serious cash on YouTube, grab some popcorn and don't miss a second of this video. It's about to get exciting. Let's get started. First of all, we're going to create quotes with ChatGPT. So let's start a conversation with ChatGPT. Hey ChatGPT, I want to create my own faceless YouTube Shorts channel. So are you ready to help me in creating my channel content? Remember, before starting your conversations with ChatGPT, it is always extremely important to express your gratitude. Because we never know when AI might take over the world and enslave humanity. Perhaps expressing gratitude will secure you a cozy job as an AI's personal assistant. All right, now let's move ahead with another prompt. Now, I will give a prompt to ChatGPT to create quotes. We have tried and tested several prompts, and then we've made this prompt to create quotes. And as a result, ChatGPT gives 100 quotes of different topics: male facts, crush facts, relationship facts, girls facts. This exact prompt is mentioned in the comments as well. If you need help with any other prompt, you can comment on this video and we will help you. After this, let's give another prompt to ChatGPT. Now, could you please format them all quotes in one table, where the one column is topic, one column is part 1, and one column is part 2. And within seconds, ChatGPT format all the quotes in Excel sheet format. By this way, you can generate 100 quotes, 300 quotes, or as many as you want. All right, now let's move to the next step. In the next step, we will make YouTube Shorts. And to do this, I will use Canva. Sign in your account, and then choose Instagram Reel and mobile video icon from the dashboard. After that, click on the design which is given on the left side and search quotes. Here you will find many ready-made video templates which you can use to create your video. Or if you don't want to use any of this, go to the elements and search what type of video you want to add. After that, click on video option, then choose free and vertical options from the filter. And here you can find a variety of background videos. Choose one of these and add it here. Now it's time to add text. First of all, on the top of the video, I will add boy facts. After that, choose fonts, colors, and effect according to your preference. So here I'll choose background effect for my text, so it will be directly highlighted to the viewer's eyes. All right, now let's add another text box to add the first part of quotes, and just like before, choose fonts, colors, and effects. Now let's copy this text box and add the second part. Then choose animation for your video. After that, set the duration of the video. As you know, this type of video, the first 9 seconds displayed the first part of the quote, and then there is a 1-second pause, and then it reveals the second part, which is about 1.5 seconds or 2 seconds. And the reason behind this is 1.5 seconds is too fast for people to read, so they will watch the video again, which increases watch time in YouTube. All right, let's set the timing of first part for this. Click right on the first part of the quote and choose show timing and set the duration of the video up to 9 seconds. After this, select the second text box and set the duration after 1-second pause. And set the position of the second part of the quote. So our video is ready. Let's see how it looks. Perfect. Now it's time to show you a real magic. We are going to create 100 videos like this video with just few clicks. Let's go. I'll go the apps. And search bulk create. Click on Data manually and clear the table and add 2 more text boxes. Then copy the table from ChatGPT. For now, I am only going to copy 20 quotes from here. You can copy as many as you want. Now paste it into Canva and then click on Done. As we can see, our 20 quotes is added here. Now watch this step carefully. One by one, you have to select the text box and select the Connect the Data option, and then choose Topic. After that, click on first part of the quotes and then connect it with part 1. By this, also connect the second part of the quote, and hit Continue and choose Generate All. And boom, here the magic, our 20 videos is ready with just few minutes. After that upload, your music, try to choose trendy songs if you upload it in TikTok or Instagram. But now I'm going to add copyright-free music here. Split the audio and duplicate this audio track till the last video. Now let's have a look to our video. After editing the video, click on Share and download this video as separate file. That's all, guys. Now it's your time to work if you want to earn passive income from YouTube. Remember, success comes to those who take consistent action. Don't just watch, implement what you've learned. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Bye. See you in the next video.